Welcome! Did you know your Mac has a built-in emoji keyboard? No more searching for emojis online or memorizing key combos. Let's show you how to open and use the emoji keyboard to add fun and personality to your messages and notes. Let's dive in. To open the emoji keyboard quickly, select any text field and press Ctrl, Command, and Space together to open the character viewer. If that doesn't work, click outside the app and press Function plus E. Then drag and drop or double-click an emoji to insert it. If shortcuts aren't your thing, use the menu bar at the top. Click Edit and select Emojis and Symbols. This will open the character viewer where you can drag and drop emojis or double-click them to insert them. To change the default emoji shortcut, Ctrl plus Command plus Space. Go to System Settings, select Keyboard from the sidebar, then click Keyboard Shortcuts and choose App Shortcuts. Click the plus icon, set a menu title, pick your new shortcut, and save it. Did you know you could customize the emoji keyboard? Just open the emoji keyboard, click on your favorite emoji, and select Add to Favorites, so you can grab them quickly without searching. Got a MacBook with a touch bar? It's even easier. Just tap the smiley face icon while typing, swipe to browse emojis, or use search and categories to find exactly what you need. For even more convenience, try Keysmith from Setapp. Instead of searching through the character viewer or favorites, it lets you create custom keyboard shortcuts for your most used emojis with just one keystroke. Here's how. Download and open Keysmith. Click New Macro. Name your shortcut and set a hotkey. Then click More, add action, and paste text. Finally, press Ctrl plus Command plus Space, pick your emoji, and save it. Done! But that's not all. Setapp offers more tools to make writing and emoji use easier. Try Ulysses for easy emoji integration in blog posts and social media, and TextSoap for quick text formatting with emojis with a single click. Keysmith, Ulysses, TextSoap, and over 250 other apps are available on Setapp. Start your 7-day free trial now to boost your productivity and bring life to your work through emojis. What's your go-to emoji? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.